morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 5th chapter arithmetic progressions exercise 5.3. First 3 subdivisions already I have completed. Now I will continue with the 4th sum. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So we are asked to find the number of terms here, so that we will get the sum as 636. So what are all the things given that we will write? So first Sn is given as 636. Then A is equal to 9. D is equal to 17 minus 9. That is equal to 8. So these are the things given. So Sn formula, Sn is equal to 636. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 636. So n we don't know, so n by 2 into 2 into a value is 9 plus n minus 1 into d is given as 8, that is equal to 636. Okay, so now here n by 2 is there. In both the terms we can take 2 common out. So into 2. So the balance will be 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. Since we have taken 2 factor out, we can take the remaining thing here is equal to 636. So 2 will get cancelled. Now we will multiply this n inside the bracket. So it will be 9n plus, here 4n is there, into n will be 4n squared minus 4 into n is 4n is equal to 636. Okay, so here we will get 4n squared plus 9n minus 4n, it will be plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we will find the factors of 4n squared plus 5n minus 636. So 4n squared plus 5n minus 636. For this we will find the factors. So when we multiply any two numbers, we have to get 4 into 636. 6 4s are 24, 2, 4 3s are 12, 2544 we have to get when we multiply. And when we add, we have to get 5n. Accordingly, we have to take 2 factors for this. So 2544. So first we will take 3 here. So 3 8s are 24. Then 3 4s are 12. 3 8s are 24 again. Then 2. 4 2 4. Then again with 2. 2 1 2. Then 2 1 0 6. Then 2 53. So that's all. So 53 is a prime number here. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So if we take 48 and 53, if we take 48 and 53, when we subtract it, we will get 5, and when we multiply, we will get 6. We will get 2544. So 4n squared and 48n and 53n minus 636 is equal to 0. So when we multiply this, we have to get minus 2544. So here we will take minus, that is for the smaller sign. For the bigger sign, we need plus 5. So we will take plus 53 there. So now 4n, if we take common from these two terms, remaining number will be n minus 12. 4n squared minus 4 12s are 48n. So here n minus 12 if we take, so the remaining will be 53n plus 53 is equal to 0. So 53n into 53 into 12 is 636. So 4n plus 53 and n minus 12 is equal to 0. These are the two factors. But here n is equal to minus 53 by 4. So this is a fractional number. So number of terms is not possible in this. So this is rejected. So n is equal to 12 we will get. So the number of terms will be 12. 12 terms are there in this sequence. how many terms of AP must be taken to give the sum of 636. So, number of terms is 12. So, if we take 12 terms for the given sequence, we will get 636 as the sum. Next sum is, the first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So, first term is 5. Here the sequence, it is given like this, and the last term is given as 45. That is, this is AN. Okay. The sum is given as 400. That is, SN is given as 400. So, find the number of terms. N we need to find and the common difference. So, these two things we are asked to find. So, here we will take Sn formula is actually n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, here instead of number of terms, here the last term is only given. So, we will use that Sn formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. An is nothing but the last term here, a plus l. Okay, so here Sn is given as 400 is equal to n by 2 into a value is given as 5 plus the last term is an is 45. So that is equal to n by 2 into 45 plus 5 is 50. So 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. So this one 225. So n is equal to 400 by 25. So number n is equal to 16. 400 divided by 25 is 16. So n value we got it as 16. So first thing we are asked to find the number of terms. So the number of terms is 16. Then common difference we need to find. So for that we will use an. So an here we in the question it is given as 45. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 45. So a is 5 here plus number of terms n we got it as 16. N is equal to 16. So instead of n we will substitute 16 here. So here also 16 minus 1 into d. So 16 minus 1 is 15 into d is equal to 45. So 15d is equal to 45 minus 5. So 15d is equal to 40. D is equal to 40 by 15. That is equal to 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 50. So the difference is 8 by 3. So the common difference is 8 by 3. So number of terms is 16 and the common difference is 8 by 3. Next sum is the first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Okay, so first and the last term. So A is given as 17 and the last term L, that is AN, is given as 350. If the common difference is 9, D is also given as 9. How many terms are there and what is their time? What is their sum? So AN, it is given as 350. So A plus n minus 1 into d, that is AN formula. So we will substitute 17 plus n we need to find, n minus 1 into d is given as 9 is equal to 350. So 17 plus 9n minus 9 is equal to 350. So 17 minus 9 is 8. So 8 plus 9n is equal to 350. So 9n is equal to 350 minus 8. So that is equal to 342. 9n is equal to 342. So n is equal to 342 divided by 9. So when we divide this 342 by 9, 9 3s are 27. The remainder is 72. 9 8s are 72. So n is equal to 38. So there are 38 terms in the given sequence. Okay. How many terms are there? So we are having 38 terms. And what is their sum? So n is equal to 38 we got. So S38 is equal to, we need to find this only, n by 2. n by 2 into 2 into a value is given as 17 plus 38 minus 1 n minus 1 into d is given as 9. Okay, so this is equal to 38 by 2 into 7 2s are 14, 34 plus 38 minus 1 is 37. 37 into 9. 9 7s are 63, 6. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 6 is 33. Okay, 333. 333 plus 34 will be 367. So this is equal to 38 by 2 into 367 is equal to, in 2 table if we cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 367 into 90. So 367 into 90. So 9 7s are 63, 9 6 are 54 plus 6 60, 9 3s are 27 plus 4 33. Then 367. So when we add this, we'll get 6973. 6973. So this is the sum to 38 terms for the given sequence. So for the given sequence, we got 6973 as the sum. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.